Hi, I'm Scotty. Welcome to Scotties Clock World. The first wheel in again. Bent posts. Nice and free, but we saw before how sloppy that pinion is. Right, we'll start off with those two. I'll mark them so we know which one we're working on. That one. And the top plate. That one there. Right, I'll get set up for the bushing and then we'll be back. Right, let's get our first bushing underway. First thing we do, check our vernier to make sure it's set on 0. So we get an accurate measurement. And we measure the diameter of the first pivot. 1.63 mil. Jot that down. Then we go to our box of bushings and read across. We want 1.63 mil. We got 1.60, 1.65. We'll have a look at the 1.65 mil. And we'll see that that is a little bit too big. 1.65 is the number 50. That's a number 50. Put the bush, palm of our hand, and then try to fit the pivot into it. You can see it fits in, so it's obviously too big. We'll put that back into our box. It's number 50. Make sure it goes into the right place. Number 50, we'll take it a number 49. That's 1.60. Try it again. Make sure we got the correct size. Pivot on it won't go in. That in there. Then read off the rest of the data on the box. The number 49. Its external diameter is 3.5 mil. Jot that down so we don't have to remember it. First we'll put our center finding tool into the bushing tool. Then put the plate on and align the hole, which is there. Bring the clamp up, tighten it down so it can't move. Exactly in the center. one here won't help us, can't reach, so we'll have to make sure that we hold the plate when we're reaming it out. Remove the centering tool. We're looking for 3.50. I'll start with a 2.47 and then work up to the final size. Hold the plate so it doesn't move and turn the bushing tool. The reason I use a smaller reamer for a start, then go up to a secondary one and then finish with the final size is that it puts a lot less stress and torque on the finer, on the finer reamers. They're very prone to snapping if you use any strong force on them, and at $50 a time you don't want to do that too often. Miss that one. Hold the plate again, second reamer, clear any debris from the hole. Now the 3.47 mil reamer. And we'll ream the hole out till its final size. Remove the reamer. The next tool in, then pick up the bush, making sure the oil sink is facing outwards. Place it in the hole like so. Bring down the top of the tool and give it one short tap with a hammer to make sure it's fitting in correctly and not off to one side. Then another couple of taps, seats at home. Take the tool out, undo the clamp. And there we have the bush inserted. That has to be reamed out yet to the exact size to fit the pivot. There you can see the oil sink on the outside. Not easy, but there it is.